In this video, I'm going to talk about adding rows and columns to a table in Excel. This table I've already created. You can watch a different video to see how to do that. This table is called My Data. If I want to add, for example, a column to my table, I can simply start typing a new header just to the right of the existing headers. For example, years squared. And it will add a new column. I'm going to select year squared as my formula. And you'll see, again, this is a structured reference to my data. I'll explain that later. So we've added a new column. There are two easy ways to add a new row. So if I'm sitting in the bottom right corner of my table and I hit Tab, I have the ability to add new data. Alternatively, if I sit in the bottom left corner just below the range and start typing data, it will create a new row in my data as well. An alternative to this would be to use my mouse. If I click in the table somewhere and right click on a cell, I can see Insert, and either it will be table columns to the left. Sometimes if you're on the far right, it will give you table columns to the right option, or table rows above. And again, if you're at the bottom row, you can click a table rows below will also exist. Delete, if I want to get rid of some data, delete table columns or delete table rows. So for example, I've decided this row or this column I do not want. I can click delete table columns and it's gone.